Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, Sunday, it's today Sunday, March the 9th, 10th, 2024. We have here two puzzles solved, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time, yes. Binary time, and this one will be number 8163. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has not a lot, 13. Wow, could be a hard one. This one could be a hard one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Then we have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between the 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the 1's comes an O. And we have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. And 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, this one is also quick to solve without comparing. Here, without comparing. 13 printed digits. Wow. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. Not my intention to do this. Anyway, we solve it again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.